back. Now we have this example. Evaluate using logarithm tables. So to make things easy for us, let's just have it like this. Number, then the logarithm. Okay, the first one we have 19.28. So the logarithm of this now, as I said earlier on in our previous classes, you check for how many digits you have here. Then we have it to be, we have 1, 2, that is 2 minus 1. So we have it to become 1 point. So that is your characteristic. So 1 point. So we'll go to our logarithm table to check 19 under 2, then difference 8. 19 under 2, then difference 8. 19 under 2 gives us 2833. Then difference 8 gives us 18. So if you add this, you have 2851. So we have 0.2851. So let's move on to the second one. We have 2.987. Counting this, we have just 1. That is 1 minus 1, which gives us 0. So we have to become 0. Now, 29 under 8. 29 under 8 gives us 4742. Then difference 7 gives us 10. That's 4752. 4752. Alright. 0.4752. Now the last one gives us the number 195.8. These are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 got to 2 rather. Pardon me. 2 points. Then we have it to become 19 under 5 difference 8. 19 under 5 is 2900. Difference 8 gives us 18. That is 2918.2918. By rules for use of logarithm, talking about multiplication, I told us in the last explanation that it is plus. We are adding the values that we got after we converted using the logarithm table. So we have the first one to be 1.2851 plus 0.4752. Let's add that. 1 plus 2 be 1. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. 1. 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7.1. Now let's add the last one, plus 2.2918. 3 plus 8, we have that to be 11. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 plus 9, that is 15. 5. 1 plus 7, that is 8. 8 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. Pardon me, 0. Put 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4.0521. That is our answer. 4.0521. And that is the answer for the what? The when you multiply the 3 together, this is the logarithmic answer. Now let us see this. Let's multiply this number together. Okay. The first one, 19.28 times, you do that normally, the normal multiplication, 2.987 times 195.8. That gives us 11275. 11275.997. Mostly, we advise that you leave it in 3 significant figures. That is 11300. So 3 significant figures. And that is the answer. Thank you so much. Catch you in the next class.